Introduction: Amazing nutritional health benefits of flaxseed and how to use. Flax seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with essential nutrients that can significantly enhance your health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, these seeds offer a myriad of benefits, including improved heart health, better digestion, and even potential cancer-fighting properties. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your overall wellness. The importance of adding flax seeds to your meals cannot be overstated. They are not only beneficial for your body, but also incredibly easy to include in your daily routine. Whether you sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or use them as an egg substitute in baking, flax seeds are versatile and can elevate a variety of recipes. So, if you're looking to enhance your nutritional intake and explore new culinary possibilities, stay tuned as we dive deeper into the amazing health benefits of flax seeds and creative ways to incorporate them into your diet. Nutritional profile of flax seeds. Flax seeds are renowned for their impressive nutritional profile, making them a valuable addition to any diet. One of the standout features of flax seeds is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These healthy fats are known to support heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol levels, contributing to overall cardiovascular wellness. In addition to omega-3s, flax seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. This fiber plays a crucial role in promoting digestive health by aiding in regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be beneficial for weight management. Flax seeds are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B1, thiamine, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients support various bodily functions, from energy production to bone health. By incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you can harness these key nutrients to enhance your overall health and well-being. Health benefits of flax seeds. Regular consumption of flax seeds can lead to a multitude of health benefits, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. One of the most notable advantages is their ability to reduce inflammation in the body. The omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds help combat inflammatory responses, which can be beneficial for those suffering from conditions like arthritis or other inflammatory diseases. Flax seeds also play a significant role in promoting heart health. Their high fiber content and omega-3 fatty acids work together to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. By incorporating flax seeds into your meals, you can support your cardiovascular system and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Additionally, flax seeds may offer benefits for skin health and hormonal balance. The lignans present in flax seeds can help regulate estrogen levels, which is particularly beneficial for women experiencing hormonal fluctuations. This regulation can lead to improved skin health, reducing issues like dryness and acne. Overall, flax seeds are a powerhouse of health benefits worth considering. How to incorporate flax seeds into your diet. Incorporating flax seeds into your daily meals is easier than you might think, and there are plenty of delicious ways to do it. One of the simplest methods is to add ground flax seeds to your smoothies. Just a tablespoon can provide a nutrient boost, enhancing the flavor and texture while delivering essential omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Baking is another fantastic way to include flax seeds in your diet. You can mix them into muffin or bread recipes for added nutrition. They not only contribute to a moist texture, but also enrich your baked goods with healthy fats and fiber, making them more satisfying. For a quick and easy option, consider sprinkling whole or ground flax seeds on salads or yogurt. This adds a delightful crunch and enhances the nutritional profile of your meal. Whether you're looking to boost your breakfast or elevate your lunch, flax seeds can seamlessly fit into your diet, making healthy eating both enjoyable and convenient. Flax seed recipes. Incorporating flax seeds into your meals can be both simple and delicious. Start your day with a nutritious flaxseed oatmeal. To make it, combine 1 cup of rolled oats with 2 cups of water or milk in a pot. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, a drizzle of honey, and your favorite fruits like bananas or berries for added flavor and nutrition. For a quick snack, try a flaxseed smoothie. Blend together 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, and 1 cup of almond milk. This refreshing drink is packed with nutrients and perfect for on the go. If you're looking for a healthy treat, flaxseed energy balls are a great option. Mix 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of nut butter, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of ground flax seeds in a bowl. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for a delicious, energy-boosting snack. Enjoy! Potential side effects and considerations. While flax seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume them in moderation to avoid potential digestive issues. Due to their high fiber content, excessive intake can lead to bloating, gas, or even diarrhea. Starting with a small amount and gradually increasing your intake can help your digestive system adjust. If you are pregnant or nursing, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider before adding flax seeds to your diet. While they can be beneficial, individual health circumstances may warrant caution, and professional guidance is always recommended. Additionally, when increasing your fiber intake with flax seeds, it's vital to drink plenty of water. Adequate hydration helps fiber do its job effectively, promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, especially if you're incorporating more fiber-rich foods like flax seeds into your meals. By being mindful of these considerations, you can enjoy the benefits of flax seeds while minimizing any potential side effects. Conclusion. In summary, flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that offers a wide range of health benefits. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, they can significantly enhance your overall well-being. Their versatility allows you to easily incorporate them into your daily meals, whether in smoothies, baked goods, or as a topping for salads and yogurt. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is an excellent way to support heart health, improve digestion, and promote skin health. By making this simple addition, you can take a proactive step toward a healthier lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the amazing advantages of flax seeds. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, so thank you for being part of our community.